slang word today, and this slang word has meat in it, but has nothing to do with meat. You want to see? And master Azerbaijani word of today we have, ЭTİ TÖKÜLMÄK. Let's see. ЭTİ TÖKÜLMÄK. ЭTİ TÖKÜLMÄK is to cringe or to feel an inward sensation of disgust or embarrassment. You know what that is, right? Cringe. Let's see those in phrases. To cringe from cheap jokes. To cringe by weird actions. Shit zarafatlardan eti tökülmek. Shit zarafat, cheap jokes. Shit technically means something that without salt. No salt. Okay? Zarafat joke, zarafatlar joke, from the jokes. Jokes, zarafatlar, from the jokes, zarafatlardan. Qəribə hərəkətlərdən eti tökülmək. Weird actions. Qəribə, weird. Action, hərəkətlər, actions. Now, let's explore this more. Technically, at means meat. Tökülmek means to drop, to fall over. See how it is? But in real world, it just means to cringe, basically. I know it sounds weird. Let's use those in some sentences. Because remember, eti tökülmek is infinitive form. We're going to change those. Let's see. Onun dediyi sözlərə hamının əti töküldü. See, mek dropped because it's infinitive. Now we added the real tense. Let's see what tense is it. Everyone cringed at the words he said. So this is past tense. See how tökül, the last syllable has ü sound. That's why when you make the past tense, you add ü to d also. Onun dediyi sözlərə, at the words he said. He or she, remember o, onun, his words means. Sözlərə, to the words, at the words. Hamının, everyone's, like literal translation is everyone's meat fall apart, dropped all over. But means basically everyone cringed. Let's see another one. Adı qorxulu, amma əslində shit elementlərlə dolu filmlərə baxanda ətim tökülür. Now this one is about me and it's a present tense. That's why you did not see töküldü, you see tökülür. Let's see. When I watch movies that seem scary but are actually full of cheap, silly elements, I cringe. That's the literal translation, but the translation in English is the right one. I'm just gonna show it how the words change when you translate them. Adı qorxulu means the name is scary, meaning when it seems like a scary movie from the name, right? That's what I mean here when I watch movies that seem scary. Amma, but, əslində, actually, in reality, shit element. Remember, shit, no salt, but here it goes, cheap, silly elements, full, dolu, full of. Filmlərə, the movies, baxanda, when I watch, ətim tökülür. I cringe. That was my way of using ƏTİ TÖKÜLMÄK. Now, I have one more for you. Do you have the ətim töküldü moment every time I try to incorporate word of the day into that joke style example of mine? Let me know in the comments if you do. Otherwise, come back tomorrow for another action word. Until then, you know what to do. Cheers.